Okay, so this thing is flying pretty freaking awesome.
12 dB.
But I'm going to try something that one of the testers for Helio is doing just for giggles. And that is, I'm going to raise my Q to 9,000 from 5,300, 5,300, and 4,000. Don't know if he's running 9,000 on all three axes, but I'm going to. Alright, so here we go. Had 5 packs charged up, wanted to get the Helio RC8 running, and so I was just cranking them out here tonight and just trying a couple different things and talking to some people on the Slack, and really after about 2 packs I was like pretty much dialed in anyway, but I was still getting some MTOs. Flying this today, the Reverb, a heavier quad on 4S was just nuts compared to flying my 5.5 inch and 6 inch Proton, you know, that are just so much faster and everything else. But this is crazy. This is super duper clean. I mean, geez, it is like, I zoomed in watching this at like 500% and I couldn't even see like a pixel shift or anything. This is just ridiculous. And the thing that's awesome about the Helio, I know I just put out a video about how, you know, I'm running Betaflight back on my long range builds, and you know, that's fine. The Helio doesn't have all of the things that I need to possibly put on a long range build. Maybe it does. I'd have to check if it has enough UARTs and all that stuff. Probably does. But anyway, man, like this thing just it just handles, and it is like point and shoot. It is such a different flight experience compared to, you know, just ripping around on any quad at AK, let alone the more higher powered 5.5 inch and 6 inch 5S systems that I run. So I would be kind of anxious to throw the Helio onto one of those now that I see just how smooth this is. But you know, it is bright light, it is going into the light, but as we know with the video that I just put out, different lighting conditions can bring out different things. I am pretty sure this is like 97-98% there, and really I just need to kind of work on some rates a little bit. For anybody watching this, my P's are at 64 and 60 for pitch and roll. The eyes are stock at 50. The whole config is stock 16K, and the regular IMUF update. I'm actually running my W's at 116. They come in at 6, and there's a different kind. There's 2 different philosophies, it looks like, on Slack that are kind of floating around this. Some people like flying at 6 and adjusting values differently that way, which I think will give you like lower PID values. And some people like raising it to 116 like this and upping your Q values and stuff to give you a different feel and flow. So it's pretty cool that you kind of got some options there. One of the builds and bends that one of the testers gave me a while back was kind of like set up like this. It was the first one that introduced W, and I put that W at 115, and this is the best flying one since, for sure. I don't even know what release candidate that would have ended up being, or if it was just something special. But I know this RC8 has a ton of things that are comparable to it as far as the speeds, the overclocking, and everything like that. So this is looking really good, and just when I thought that, man, 5-inch for it. The setups are just really super boring after flying my high-powered stuff all day. I come home and decide to give this a go, and boy am I glad I did. So anyway, enjoy it. Got any questions, let me know. Check out their Slack, check out them on Butterflight on Facebook, and we'll talk to you later.